Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Making Sense of Your Market. It's Friday, February 10th, 2023. It's Valentine's Day week next week. It's my 19th wedding anniversary with Jenny on Valentine's Day. So I want to wish you all in advance, happy Valentine's Day. And today's message is going to be very important, okay? It's a message, it's a text message or an email or a phone call that I get dozens of times a month from my clients, my past clients, and I'm going to explain why you get letters like this when you purchase a home or you refinance a home. Okay, it's spam. 99% of it is spam. And this particular letter is saying that your home warranty, a client of mine sent this over to me this week. Dan, what do I need to do about this? It says my home warranty is expiring. It's the final notice. Immediate action needs to be taken. And it's got our name, New American Funding, on it at top. So it's completely misleading. In my opinion, it's predatory, but we won't go down that road. I'll step off of that soapbox for now. But I tell all my clients, when you close a home loan with me, I've been saying this for 15 years, if you ever get anything in the mail or a phone call that sounds different than anything I've ever talked with you about or set you up with, I want you to call me, take a picture of it, and text it to me. And that's exactly what my good client and good friend Michael did this last week. And I'm going to go over what this is and why you're getting this. It has nothing to do with Dan Keller at New American Funding. It has nothing to do with New American Funding selling your info. It's public information. When you buy a home or refinance a home, there's a note and there's a deed that gets recorded in the county, and that's public data. Come back to this here in a minute, okay? But every single week, I want to give you a brief update on our mortgage rates going up or down week over week for all the realtors out there selling homes, for all my clients that are out searching for homes right now. And if you're a past client of mine, you don't really care. You get to actually get the state of the market. So in 10 or 15 seconds or less, mortgage interest rates week over week have gone up. This is the first time we've seen this in about 16 weeks. Nothing to worry about. Next week, inflation numbers come out, and I think rates will be trending back down at that point. But there was some economic data this week that caused mortgage rates to go up from about 5.99 to the 6.25 range, all the way up to the 6.3 to 6.5 range today. Still, nothing to worry about, but wanted to give you an update there. All right, so going back to this letter that my client sent me, he texted me and he said, what do I need to do? It has New American Funding at the top, so it looks like it's sent from us. It says final notice in big bold writing. It says, please respond by 2/23/23, and then a huge 1-800 number. But this is what I told Michael. Right here, you'll see this. I circled in red. And what I want you to realize is what this says. Not all consumers have previous coverage. We are not affiliated with your current mortgage holder at New American Funding. Okay, right there tells you it's junk mail, it's spam. But what are some things that you could get in the mail? So if you're a client getting ready to purchase a home, this is for you. If you're a client that's already worked with me and you get something in the mail, this is for you. Realtors, this is another really great piece of info to share with your clients. The mortgage company and your mortgage lender, Dan Keller at New American Funding, are not selling your information. It's public record when you record a note and a deed in whatever county you bought or refinanced a home in. There's companies out there that will take that information, they'll gather it, and then they'll sell it to vendors. So home warranty companies like this one, alarm system companies, video surveillance companies. This is a really funny one. Life insurance, mortgage life insurance. There's some other things out there that they'll try to sell you or try to solicit your information. Some of them I've even seen look like they're from the IRS. It's so crazy. So my message today, if you ever get anything like this in the mail that has you confused or has nothing to do with anything that I've ever talked with you about or sold you, and the only thing I help people with is getting mortgages on their homes, okay? I want you to do exactly what Michael did. He took a picture of this and he texted it to me, okay? Do that. Text it or email it to me, and I'll get back to you right away with what you need to do with this information. 99% of the time, you shred it, okay? Let's wrap up with a book that I've been reading and I absolutely love. It's called Love and Respect, and we're going to be finished with it this week. But I want to close with this. This last one, the last final chapter, is the author talks about choosing our words and our actions, or being careful how we choose to say things and how we choose to do things. Some of us are pretty good at keeping our mouths shut and choosing our words, but sometimes it's not what we said or didn't say, it's what we did or didn't do, right? And so I wanted to at least bring this up to you. It's helped me out a lot, being more cautious around the house, dishes, things on the counter, maybe things on the floor, maybe moods that my wife is in, the day that my wife is having. So actions and words, choose them carefully. That's my message. And this ties right into being Valentine's Day this coming week and celebrating our 19th wedding anniversary of being married. I love you, Jenny. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And if not, I will see you next Friday for another Making Sense of Your Market episode.